Good morning, everybody. It's December 16th and smack dab in the middle of December, but I'm still riding high from Star Trek Trek to Chicago, where I got to see my Star Trek friends and family. It was another reunion of sorts. I'm still riding high from that, but it is also the end of November and the end of the Movember fundraising, and I got a package from them. I normally don't open anything or haven't done an unboxing from them, but I thought I'd share this with you guys and tell you a little bit about Movember, which is a fundraising focusing on men's health awareness, prostate cancer, testicular cancer, men's mental health. I pledge every year either to shave and grow a mustache and or run or move, bike 60 miles during a period of a month. 60 being significant for the 60 men that we lose dying by suicide every hour. So when you meet that goal and you raise $1,000 within that month, you belong to a platinum club at different tier levels, and they send you a prize. I normally don't share this, but I thought I would. And I also want to give a shout out to everybody who participated and helped me reach that fundraising goal. Bill Erickson, Mark Zutkov, Linda Adnereg, Allison Leach Hyde, Kathy D. Seville, Cassandra, Tamia Harper, Anne Marie, May Borello, Dan Reedon, an anonymous donor as well, and the matching partners, which I believe this year was Pringles. So thank you all for participating and helping me reach my goal. You guys are awesome. Let's go ahead and crack into this bag and see what I got. All right, looks like a t-shirt. By the way, I'm back to my workbench again now that Star Trek cons are over. I can get my work area back. The mustache shirt. Whoa. It's not just what's on the front. They came up with a nice design on the back. I've never seen that kind of color. It's usually very black and white. Wow. Movember Platinum Club. Lifelong bonds and contributing to a world where men can live happier and healthier lives. That is awesome. That is brilliant. They've never printed a shirt like that before. I've done this for 4 years. The first year I didn't make Platinum Club, but the subsequent years I have. That is pretty nice. That is pretty nice. So thank you so much for whoa. I feel something else in here. Normally they only give a shirt. Wait a minute. See, that's why you always have to feel around in the bag for something else. Okay, so we got something else. And the award goes to okay. Nice. Some stickers. Well, here we go. Telling you just what I was telling you. A little bit about Movember. Your impact at Movember. How you've helped to change the face of men's health. Wow. Wow. That's something else. You know, a lot of these fundraisers, it's not only just the during, but it's a follow-up after to tell you exactly what your impact is. And I think that's really important. And that's why I want to give a shout out to all you guys who helped me reach my goal. Oh, nice. Yeah, these must be, I guess, some playing cards. Let's see. some playing cards. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alrighty. But that's something else. That is very cool. That's more than I've gotten before. Usually it's just a shirt and just a black and white shirt. So I say this is pretty nice from Movember. Again, thank you all who contributed. Bill Erickson, Mark, Linda, Allison, Kathy, Cassandra, Tamia, Anne-Marie, May, and Dan, and that anonymous person out there. You know who you are. Thank you all for helping me out this past month. And all of you, be well, be kind, trek on. Thank you.